Genesis 18, 17, 18, and 19. Pastor read. Genesis 18, 17, 18, and 19. And the Lord said,
Shall I hide from Abraham?
Shall I hide from Abraham
That thing which I do?
that thing which I do?
See that Abraham shall surely become a great and mighty
He shall surely become a great and mighty nation,
and all the nations of the earth
and all the nations of the earth
shall be blessed in him.
shall be blessed in him.
For I know him, that he will command his children
That he will command his children
and his household
his household
after him, and they shall keep the way of the Lord.
And there's something about that. He said, for he shall command his children after him. No wonder the Bible said Abraham was great, Isaac was very great, and Jacob was exceedingly great. He commanded, he placed his children on the path of greatness. You can handle a battle you didn't have. He gave them greatness and they ran greatness. Abraham was great. Isaac was very great. Jacob was exceedingly great. The Bible said he shall command his children after him. That is, the root is not all about negative. No, root is not all about negative. You are root also about your positive.
Yes, sir.